Yeah, we're out riding. First time in a long time for Mama because it was too cold. But as you can see, she's all wrapped up in her snowsuit, and she's got a snowsuit on and an insect net. Because there might be a stray bug out here somewhere.
Yeah, I don't like bugs.
She don't like bugs, so
No.
she's out here in the snowsuit with the screen on.
No, I got 3 coats on. No, I got 2 coats and a sweater on.
She got 2 coats and a sweater
And my snowsuit.
and her snowsuit,
And I'm still cold.
and she's still cold, and it's 61 degrees out.
I know.
She's so funny, she's cute. Oh, out for a nice ride today. It's gonna be a lot warmer than it was yesterday. It was only 46 yesterday. It was a little bit cool. Hey. You left Mama in the dust?
You said that guy was hitting his...
Yeah, here's where I split up with the girls. They'll go back and forth on this road, and I'll go around the block. See how it goes here. And my odometer turned over for some reason. Started all over again. And I got 6,250 miles on it. So you have to add that to whatever. I'm gonna see if these dogs keep coming after me again. I know the Weiner dog ain't coming. That Weiner dog back there, a while back, he ran out on the road. I tried to avoid him and I hit him with my front tire. And it didn't seem to hurt him none, but he ain't in no hurry to come after me no more. Yeah, I felt real bad about it, but they used to always come out on the road and they would only come so far, so I tried to beat them, but they met me at the corner and he crossed in front of me and I slowed down and tried to miss him, and my front tire hit him and he took a beeline and went back home. And I thought maybe he got hurt, but it looked like he was all right. And so now he don't even go on the road after me anymore. So I guess he learned his lesson. I didn't mean for it to happen or nothing, but the last thing I want to do is hit a dog, because you hurt the dog and you hurt yourself because you go over the handlebars. So you do whatever you can not to get hit by them. I usually try to outrun them, because usually most dogs are fat and lazy and can't run very fast. But that shows you how slow I am, right? I got outrun by a Weiner dog. That's funny. Now that I'm thinking about it, he just took a beeline and he took an angle that he was able to beat me. And I didn't, like I said, I didn't worry about it because he usually would stop, but this time he didn't. He come right out on the road, and I got him. But he made it, and he's all the wiser for it. Alrighty, continue on here. Go too fast for him this time. I ended up catching up to him on the wrong spot. Yeah. How many times you guys go back and forth?
3, I think.
3? Yeah, then you rode pretty fast then. I rode pretty fast. But you guys rode faster. Yeah, my odometer turned over. Did anybody else have that happen to them? Oh, my miles gone. Yeah. I knew you was gonna say that.